Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great in your life, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all to the channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. This is your extended love reading for the month of March 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. Okay, if it is resonating with you, you can take it, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating and leave the rest, because this is the general extended love reading, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Gender is not specific here, and I don't read reversals. Let's see what are the extended love messages for the month of March 2021. Okay, so I have already uploaded your main reading, in which I have already told you that someone is going through with lot of pain here, Aquarius. They cannot sleep at night. Okay, and they are gaining the strength here to approach you. Okay, they're gaining the strength to approach you. This is someone from your past. This is not the new energy. There is Six of Cups, and Six of Cup is also a soulmate card here. Okay, so this is someone who is your soulmate, and this is your divinely guided relationship, on which the divine is taking care of this relationship. Why I am saying that? Here I'm having Two of Cups and the Lovers, both I'm having. They are completing some kind of cycle. They are closing out the cycle here with the Ten of Swords and the World card. They are going through with lot of pain, heartbreaks. Okay, they are in very much in pain here, but they are completing here, because there is no 11. They are completing that. There is 10 here, so they are completing the cycle here. They see you as someone who is very single, abundant, enjoying your singlehood. Okay, but they were the ones who were juggling a lot with the Two of Pentacles here. They were unable to bring a balance in the situations. Maybe they were exploring a lot of options. Maybe they have lot of options to choose, but they are focusing on this one cup here, and that's you, Aquarius. Okay, with this person you were having lot of fights, drama, arguments here with the Five of Wands, and now they want to offer you a cup here, but they are afraid that you are going to reject the cup. Okay, here you will not accept the cup from them. They are thinking like that. And this is someone who is King of Pentacles. This is someone who is financially stable, grounded, who knows how to manage their finances. Here, maybe for this person, finance is much more important. Okay, so this is someone from your past. So now let's start your extended love reading. Let's see what are the clarification of these energies. Let's start your reading. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to do the clarification for this reading. What is the meaning of Ten of Swords? Give me the clarification of Ten of Swords. See, they're feeling restricted here. Eight of Swords. They're feeling restricted. They're feeling stuck. Clarify me, Ten of Swords. Clarify me, Ten of Swords. Knight of Pentacles, Five of Cups. Maybe right now you cannot see that because this is the slowest energy, but they are feeling very sad, remorse, guilt. Can you see? Five of Cups. They're feeling very much sorry for all those things which has already happened in the past, Aquarius. Okay, let me adjust my camera. Now it's good. Okay, so now they are feeling very much sad, remorse on those things, on the spilled milk, on which, okay, already happened in the past. The events which has already happened in the past, they are feeling very much guilt, sorry. Okay, they're very sad that they treated you bad on that, and they took a lot of time to come on that conclusion. Here there is Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so they took a lot of time. See, again, Two of Cups, Five of Wands, and the Emperor, Five of Swords. Yes, there were a lot of conflicts, drama, fighting with this person. Can you see? Clarify me the world. The Queen of Cup. Okay. Clarify me the world. Yeah. Someone broke their heart here. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Three of Swords. They broke your heart many times, Aquarius. Here I'm having the Empress here. Okay. So yes, they broke your heart here. They put you in a third party situation. Third party can be anything. Okay. Either it is work, family, friends, or any other romantic partner, or any other addiction. Anything can be third party, but they broke your heart many times here. But after this Three of Swords energy, also after breaking your heart many times, you rise it up as Empress. Okay. Some unexpected changes are coming for you, Aquarius. There is Tower, there is World. And can you see how the light is getting dim and light? Yes, some big changes are coming for you. Some powerful changes are coming for you, Aquarius. And this is also a divine intervention. When divine intervenes in your situations, Aquarius. Okay, see, it just want to show me. They're going through a lot of pain. Ten of Swords energy again. They're going through with a lot of pain, hard, whatever trauma they are going through with a lot of things in life right now here. This is the divine intervention. Divine intervenes in your situation so that you can make necessary changes in your life which are necessary for you. And there is Queen of Cups is here. This is someone who is very much highly intuitive, who is full of emotions. Okay. Now let's see why there is Knight of Swords. You can be dealing with a water sign. Clarify me, Knight of Swords. The Eight of Wands, the Four of Pentacles. Communication is coming towards you. Movement, lot of movement is being indicated in this energy, in this reading, Aquarius. Can you see in this two cards? I can say that yes, there is a lot of communication which is coming towards you. They want to communicate lot of things. They want to sit with you and they want to discuss things with you. They are coming towards you, but you are holding back from this person here, the Four of Pentacles. You are holding your energy. Okay, you have already pulled up your energy from this person here, the Four of Pentacles. You are not opening up. Clarify me, lovers. Why there is Lovers? Okay. Why there is Lovers? Why there is Lovers here? Wow. Bottom of the deck, I'm having High Priestess, the Chariot. I told you they want to move in a forward direction with you, Aquarius. And they are using intuitions here. This is very intuitive person. This can be a water sign here. This person is very much intuitive. They're hoping for new hopes, new desires. They're hoping for you, the star. And they want to give you the sun. The star and sun both are here. This is the new beginning, new happy beginning in your love life, Aquarius. Can you see this is the happiest card in the tarot deck? So new happy beginnings in your love life is going to happen here, Aquarius. Now let's see why there is Six of Cups. Clarify me, Six of Cups. I'm not going to take it. Clarify me. This is someone who this can be a fire energy, fire sign, a fire element can be a possibility. Okay, this is someone who is, yeah, right. Okay, this is someone who is very much I told you they love animals. That's the message I'm getting here. Can you see? They're very fiery, attractive, passionate. They're very, they have lot of love towards animals. That's the message I'm getting here. They have lot of love towards animals. This is someone who is very fiery, passionate, mysterious. That the message I'm getting here. This is someone, and you are taking the energy of Queen of Swords. You already know the truth, Aquarius. You already know this person. You already know the truth here. Who is this person? You already know it. And Queen of Swords is someone who will cut immediately if she finds out that someone is trying to play with them, who is trying to manipulate them. They will cut immediately with their swords, because this is someone who knows the truth, who is beauty with brains. They know the truth. And this person is someone who is very mysterious, very fiery, very passionate, attractive, creative. Okay, maybe they have tattoo. They love to wear bands on hands. Okay, usually I don't read it out. 1122 was the recording reading time. I don't read it out like this, but today I'm getting the message here. Maybe they love to wear handbands here. Okay, and they have tattoo here on hands or somewhere, but okay, this is from your past. This can be a fire energy or fire in their chart. That can be a possibility. Let's see. What are the Two of Cups? Why there is Two of Cups? Clarify me, Two of Cups. Clarify me, Two of Cups. Temperance. I told you this is something which is a divinely guided relationship. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Hierophant here. Either you are married to this person in the past, or you were committed with this person for a long period of time, Aquarius. See, Hierophant, Knight of Cups, Six of Swords and Six of Cups, Lovers and King of Pentacles. Wow. Wow. Literally wow. You need to keep your patience, your temperance, or this person is keeping temperance, patience here. This relation is divinely guided. Can you see the angel is taking care of these two? Beautiful. In both pictures there is an angel here. This relation can be a soulmate or a twin flame relationship, Aquarius. Can you see? Again, the Six of Cups, the Lovers and the King of Pentacles here. There is King of Pentacles here. This is someone who loves the animals. Animal lover is here. Maybe there is an age gap between you and this person. This is your love, the lover. You both know each other very well. Here I'm having Six of Cups. This is also a soulmate card. You both know each other very well. You both have spent many past lives together here. You will come towards the calmer waters here, Aquarius. Six of Swords is here. They want to give you a lot of love, romantic love. Okay, romance here. But either you are married with this person. See, again in this picture also there is tattoo here. So maybe this person has a lot of tattoo on the body. That can be a possibility for some of you. Okay, but there is a lot of fighting, drama, conflicts with this person here. Can you see with the Five of Wands? In the past you were fighting a lot with this person. You both were fighting, having a lot of drama, fighting, arguments with this person, the conflicts with this person. Okay, now let's see why there is Seven of Cups. Bottom of the deck I'm having Ace of Swords. I told you they're feeling restricted, stuck, but now they have clarity, Aquarius. Four of Wands. This is also 1111 card, the marriage card here. Now they have a clarity here, Aquarius. They were feeling 1441 was the recording reading time. They were having a lot of options to choose. That's why they're feeling restricted, stuck. They were unable to make a decision here. But now they have the clarity in mind that they want this one cup. And that's you. That's you. That's you, Aquarius. Now they have the clarity here. Clarify me, Nine of Pentacles. They're manifesting you, Aquarius. Magician is here. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Page of Cups. Maybe they will message you, sorry Aquarius, or hi Aquarius. Maybe there is a small message from their side, but they are manifesting you, Aquarius. Again, these two wants to come out. They're using their intuitions and they want to move in a forward directions, but they're manifesting you here. The Magician is here. They're doing the manifestation. Clarify me, Two of Pentacles. Seven of Wands. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the World again. Can you see the World and World? You are closing out a cycle with this person. Your defenses are high here. Your guards are up. You're protecting your energy and you're not ready to open up now. You're saying now, no more mind games. I don't want to deal with you at all. That's why they're feeling a fear that you will going to reject the cup. That's why they are juggling a lot here. The Seven of Wands. You are very much defensive. Your defensive mode are on. Here, can you see? You are not opening up at all. The Four of Pentacles and Seven of Wands, both are here. You're holding back your energy and you are not ready to open up at all. So that's why they're feeling a lot that you are going to reject the cup. If they will offer you, then you will going to reject it. Why there is Five of Wands? Moon. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Seven of Swords. The Hermit. They were having confusion about their own emotions, Aquarius. They were not having any clarity basically about their own emotions. And this person was someone who was deceptive, manipulative, controlling, narcissist. That can be a possibility, but deceptive energy was there. Because of that, they were having you were having lot of fighting, drama, conflicts, because this person is someone who is controlling here, who plays mind games. And why they were doing that? Because they were unaware about their own emotions. They were not having any clarity about their own emotions here. Lot of confusion was there, Aquarius. Clarify me, Four of Cups. Clarify me, Four of Cups. They're making a decision, Aquarius, to give you the offer. Two of Wands. They are at the crossroads and they are going to give you an offer. Maybe they will come towards you. They have to travel and they have to come towards you. Okay. Right now they're doing their soul searching. They were in a hermit mode. They were looking answers from within their own soul self, that what they want in life. And now they're getting a clarity that they want you, and they are at the crossroads to make a decision here. They are going to offer you cup. They're keeping an eye on you. The Page of Swords is here. They're spying on you. They're looking there. So they are looking on your social media accounts. Then let's see why there is King of Pentacles. Clarify me, King of Pentacles. Ten of Cups. Clarify me. Wow. Bottom of the deck. And there was a lot of energy. Yeah, there is a lot of energy. Wow, 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 Aquarius. Queen of Pentacles. This is your divine counterpart. King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles both are here. With this person, maybe you are having family, okay? Or they want to create family with you, Aquarius. There is 10 of Cups here. They want to create a family with you. Happy family, happy life. You ignite the passion in them here. They're having a lot of thoughts about you in their mind. You ignite the passion in them. Ace of Wands is there. But they know that they put you in a third party situation. The Three of Swords is here. There is third party which is involved in your situation here. Can you see? And because of this heartbreak, You are not going to accept the cup from them. That's the thing which they are thinking a lot, but they want to create a beautiful things with you. You ignite the passion in them here. They want to create happy family, happy life with you, but they know this, that they put you in a third party situation. They broke your heart many times. Wow. But now they want to move in a forward direction here. Lot of movement is here, Aquarius. They know what is white and what is black. They want to offer you Ace of Cups, a cup which is full of emotions here, emotional fulfillment. So this was your clarification. Let's see what are the advice. What is the advice from the divine for this reading? Give me the advice for the Aquarius for this reading. What is the advice for Aquarius? 7 of Wands. What is the advice for Aquarius? What is the advice? They are gaining the strength, the confidence here to approach you. See, the Tower is here again. Some kind of divine intervention is happening in your situation, Aquarius. This is the divine intervention. Some unexpected big changes are coming for you, Aquarius, and changes cannot be bad. Okay, changes are always good. So some beautiful changes are coming for you, Aquarius. That's the message which I'm getting from the divine. Okay, your defenses are high here. You are not ready to put your guards down. 7 of Wands, 7 of Wands. Okay, but they are at the crossroads. They're making a decision here. 2 of Wands, 2 of Wands. I told you, they're making the decision here, Aquarius. Now they have the clarity. Before they were having a lot of confusion. The moon energy is here again. They were having lot of confusion about their own emotions, Aquarius. They were unaware about their own emotions. Okay, but now they are having clarity. Now they have the clarity. Ace of Swords. They have a clarity here, what they want. And they want to start 2244 was the recording reading time. The Fool. They want to take a leap of faith with you. This person loves you a lot. I know they have treated very wrong. They treated you very badly. But they were unaware about their own emotions, Aquarius, which I am getting here, the moon. Okay. But now they have the clarity here with the Ace of Swords. They have the clarity. They don't have now any kind of confusion. They don't have any kind of confusion. Now they want to start a new beginning with you. They want to take a leap of faith with you. Now, right now, they're gaining a lot of confidence, strength to approach you. Okay. So this was your extended love reading for the month of March 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. But this is someone who is coming back in your life. They are going through with a lot of pain, heartbreak, guilt, sorrow. But they are coming towards you, Aquarius, to create beautiful things. They are having a fear that you are going to reject the cup from them. Okay, but some unexpected changes are coming for you, and this is the divine intervention. The Tower and the Tower, this is the divine intervention. So yes, this is what I am having for you, Aquarius. So take care of yourself, sending you lots of healing light, beautiful energies, happiness to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.